Guys, so before I show you my haul, I'm going to talk really quickly about Ibotta and Walmart. And why is it that so many of us go to this one specific store to just do this shopping? Well, the answer to this is very easy. Ibotta, the biggest gallery of rebates that you can find for coupon or deal shopping or saving on groceries is at Walmart, because Walmart is the biggest store. They have the most amount of merchandise. So mystery solved, that's why. So let's talk a little bit about the mechanics of this app. Okay, guys, what is the Ibotta app? What is this all about? And why are you always going to Walmart and making it rain with Ibotta? So we're going to explain a little bit about this app. So first off, in the description of this video, there's a little link with my referral code attached inside. So you don't need to type anything in. Press that. This is for new signups only. Pay attention to that. So if you already have a pre-existing account, you can't sign up twice. But sign up. Use that link. You'll have to go to the App Store, download it. And once the app is downloaded, go to a store such as Walmart in the app. Just fiddle around with it a little bit. And like right now, there's a free offer for a 2-liter of the Pepsi Zero Sugar Free. You would go to Walmart, purchase it, photograph your receipt, get this rebate, and then you would also get either a $10 or $20 bonus, depending what they're offering right now. So how fantastic is that? Now, if you do not have that freebie, possibly your first item could be this for $1.98, which are these baby waters. And you might be thinking that's a little bit out of pocket to pay without a coupon, but they have a really generous $1.50 rebate with the Ibotta app. Here it is, that you can do up to 5 times. So you can get 5 packs of these. For 48 cents each. So that is the beauty of Ibotta. It is a really easy app to use, and you could start, getting stuff even without coupons, but still saving tremendously on your groceries. So for example, this is a Walmart receipt. If you look at the bottom, that squiggly line, that's what you will photograph with the app. And then immediately after, within usually 24 hours, the money will start posting to your account. It is that easy. Now, you're on a little bit of a time crunch. Once you've downloaded the app, you have exactly a week to submit your first receipt to get your bonus of $10 or $20, whatever it might be this month. And then we're also going to be shopping on the same team, which is really great. So, there's a lot of, you might get really addicted with this app because it's so terrific, but you have to do it within a week to get that special bonus, which is absolutely tremendous. Now, when you hit the $20 mark, you can start opting for a PayPal payout. You can get a $20 Starbucks gift card. You can also get $20 at Walmart. So you could keep recycling your Ibotta money to get more stuff at that one specific store and get a lot of stuff for free. And that's how a lot of us do it. And we just keep rolling those Ibotta gift cards. So if you're interested, sign up, link in the description. Hey guys, it's Rennie Kimono. I hope you're all doing great. So this is Walmart. I have not been there in a bit, and I went and did a quick little haul. All practical stuff for the household, if stuff you want to watch. Nothing with great coupon usage. It's mostly with the rebate apps, and I got the stuff for a pretty good deal. And then over at Rite Aid, I got a free haul again, which is really great. And then we have some coupon mail from my friend Sandra. She's based out of California. All of her information is in the notes if you want to get in touch with her. And I will go through a couple of these inserts pour vous. Okay, weather report for you guys. Kind of Michigan bipolar. It was 90 degrees in the last couple days. It's been 50. And right here we have one of my best friends who's Grace Suzu. I actually can pet this cat after she's been coming around for 4 years. She finally, in the last bit, has warmed herself up to let me pet her. And she's a barn cat, and she's so adorable. If she wasn't so wild, we'd probably bring her in because she looks like my other cat, Suzu. Right? She's so sweet. Okay, let's get through this haul really quick. So the first store that we have is Walmart. 2 items that are not here. There is a bag of meatballs that's a complete freebie. Unfortunately, my store didn't carry it, so no meatballs for me. And the other item was a bottle of wine. I picked up one for $5, and there is a rebate for $5 back. And unfortunately, guys, I had a neighbor who helped us out with some lawn care because my husband was out of town for 3 weeks. And I just handed it over when I was driving in. I saw this neighbor, and I'm like, hey, here you go. Thank you so much. And he was like, oh my gosh, thank you so much. So I don't have it for a visual, but there was the wine. So the first couple items we're going to talk about are with the app Shopkick. And I usually go with Shopkick, Fetch, and Ibotta when I'm out there shopping. So the first item is this thing called the Clorox wand. And this wand right here is $8.88. You would pay that. And Shopkick has 675 points when you buy this guy, which is like $2.70, dropping it down to 618. All of these girls who clean professionally on TikTok swear by this. I'm really curious. So it's these pads with a refill and the wand. So it's like all in one, and it's supposed to be the most sanitary way to clean your toilet. Toilet bowl cleaner is almost impossible to find right now. I guess I don't know, it's one of those things. But to get this, I'm okay with paying $6.18 for that. And that rebate has reset for me, so I think I'm gonna go back and get one more for both of the bathrooms in our home. Kick deal we have is with the Nestle water. This guy is $1.10 at my store, and there's 250 points back from Shopkick, making it completely for free. Another little Shopkick IBOTTA item is the Suavitel. This guy was $2.97, 25 cents back from IBOTTA, and 400 kicks back from Shopkick, which is basically like $1.60, so it made it $1.12. Why I was doing only a handful of these rebates with IBOTTA was I had some sort of like do 10, get back like, I think it was do 10, get back 5. It was like a midweek bonus, so I was like, yeah, absolutely. And I'm just trying to go for things more in the household that we'll use, so there's the story of that. Also the Revlon mascara, this specific one is $6.97. I had a $3 coupon that came through the mail. It was some sort of like flyer coupon. So I paid $3.97, got back $6.97 from Ibotta, making it a free item and a $3 moneymaker. Really great. Baja soda is $3.38. $1 back from Ibotta, making this $2.38. This is one of my husband's absolute and total favorites, so I'm okay with that. Sparkling beverage, this guy was $1.28, and I had a 10-cent rebate back. This is something that I'll definitely use, so I have no problem spending money on that. Vanilla, this is my favorite one, Coke coffee with vanilla, $1.88, 40 cents back from Ibotta, making it $1.48, another one of my favorites. And then the cranberry apple by Ocean Spray is $2.78 and $1 back from Ibotta, making it $1.78. Okay, so now we have the Cortisone 10 for $2. There's a $1.25 coupon in the May 23rd Smart Store, so I paid 75 cents for this guy. It has allergy proponents in this medication, so I actually got a 10-cent back rebate for this. And this is one thing I always need in my pantry, especially if you have eczema and I have rare flare-ups. I definitely need this, so even for 75 cents, what a find. I got back, I think, like $15 for rebates. The bottle of wine, again, is not pictured here. And then I got back $15 for the rebates and then another $5 as a bonus. So after everything was said and done, I mean, it was just like, you know, probably $1 per item, but I'm okay with that. And again, it's just like meat and potato stuff for the household. I know a lot of you go out to Walmart on the weekend to do these little Ibotta shopping. If you are like into like these TikTok cleaners, absolutely go and get that one. But I had a lot of fun doing this, and I went like first thing in the morning. And the problem is, I think because where I live, there's a lot of people that do Ibotta couponing, and like they just clear the store. So you do what you do, and I just got what I, stuff for the household. And again, I'm really excited to give this a try. Let me know, maybe give this video a thumbs up if you want me to make a video reviewing that. I'm very curious about it too. Okay, so over at Rite Aid, we have a little dealio here of spend $40, get $10 off. It's a flyer coupon. You can use a screenshot from the electronic flyer or one from your local newspaper if you might have had one of those. So I just repeated a deal. I wanted to keep it really easy and simple. So what I did, guys, was I got 6 of the Swedish fish or the Sour Patch, so like a mix and match. So that's $12. They're $2 each, and there's a triple stack. So I got back like $9. Shout out to Ravi. This is in fact his deal. And then I picked up 4 of these M&Ms. I got some peanut butter. These are my favorite. And they are 2 for $6. And then when you buy 2 of them, you get back $4. You can do it up to 2 times. So I got back $8. So that was really great. And these are buy one at $7.99, get the second for free, get $5 back at bonus cash. And then these little battery things, I think were like $4 and some change. Buy 2 of them like at $8.46, get back $5 in bonus cash. So for the 2 deodorants, these and all of this, the subtotal was $40.45. I had $1.60 coupons from coupons.com for the M&Ms, 2 of those. And I used also the 10 off of 40, scan the 10 off of 40 first, and then the $2.60 coupons. So I had to pay $27.25 out of pocket. I basically rolled a bunch of bonus cash. And then I got back $27 in bonus cash. 9 for this, 8 for this, 5 for this, 5 for this. And I'm also gonna get back like $2 from Shopkick for the purchase of the M&Ms. I think it's like 500 points when you scan it and then submit the receipt. So nothing to cry about there. That's a really great little deal. So this was a $2 moneymaker after everything is said and done. And again, special thank you to Ravi. This is in fact most of his deals, and I couldn't do Rite Aid without him. Was leaving the store, I didn't see it when I walked in because I would have put it in this basket, but I found more of these clean stays, and they are 2 for $1.99. And there's this freshness peely, so when you scan it, it makes it completely for free. And I think you can do up to 6. I know in other markets you could do up to 10, but I got 6 completely for free, and then I got another 2. I didn't clear the store, but they had a lot of these, and I think a lot of these are expiring in July of this year, so they're trying to get rid of them. But still, free hand sanitizer, I'm all about that, even donating or giving it away. Okay guys, so we're gonna take a quick peek at some inserts. These are from my friend Sandra out of California. And we're gonna look at her price board at the end. I do talk quite a bit, so we're gonna do this quickly because talking problem here. Put you in the back of the classroom. Snuggle, all. One question I do get asked quite a bit in my Walgreens matchups is, if you have a digital, can you also use this one from the newspaper? And the answer to that is no, because 1 coupon per purchase means either you're going to use the digital manufacturer or this manufacturer. You cannot use both. Sorry guys. And I hate to sound like Debbie Downer about it, but that's just how it goes. This one, Pine Sol? Ooh, CoverGirl. There's a new body wash by Speedstick. I wonder if there's going to be a coupon coming out in the insert sometime soon. That would be really, really nice. Okay, and the last stack of inserts are some yogurt. Now, I just showed you the 523 bundle. So the Johnson & Johnson, the 2 Smart Sources, 5 of each is 15. And if you wanted to get this combo, it would include those 3 books plus the P&G with Tide, 5 of each is $24. Sandra's email, all of her information, her Instagram is in the notes if you want to get in touch with her, and her link tree as well for all the pricing of these different books. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.